Hello students, this is me Avijit sir and welcome to another class. So let's start learning.
Good morning students, let's start a new class. In today's class we will learn about how animals move with their body parts. First, talk about insects, means the tiny little animals like ant, fly, mosquito, cockroach, bedbug, lice, etc. So tiny animals like ant, bedbugs, leeches, how they move? They have joint legs and in front of their leg they move like this, right? In the front of their leg there is a claw. That claw helps them to grip on the surface, and with the help of that claw they can move on the surfaces. The insects which have flying wings like housefly, cockroach, they have a pair of wings. With that help they can fly. Obviously you have seen flying insects. There are so many insects who can fly here and there. They also disturb us, right? Yes. So insects can run, crawl or fly with the help of their legs, claws, wings. Okay. Next, move on to reptiles. Reptiles means those who crawl. Have you seen any crawling animals? In the last class we have shown you some pictures where the reptiles were crawling. Yes. So first come to the lizards. Almost all of our houses we can see lizards. They can climb up the wall, they can climb up even the ceiling or in the surface of floor, etc. So how they climb up wall? We cannot climb on the wall, but how they can? Have you seen a leg of a lizard? Yes. In their legs they also have fingers. In their legs a tiny pads are present, and that pads have some tiny little hooks. That hooks help them to grip on any surface so that they can climb up the wall all around. Okay. Next, crocodiles. Crocodiles also have paired joint legs. They have two pairs of legs, one in the front, one in the back, and their tail also help them to maintain their body balance. They move with the help of their legs. Okay. Tortoise. Tortoise have flippers. Flippers means their legs are like a flipper. Okay, like joint, so that they can swim easily in the water. Next, snakes. Snakes do not have any leg. Yes, they move with the help of their muscles and scales in the bottom side of their body. So how snakes move? They move like this. In the bottom side of their body they just continuously squeeze and free their muscle to that help them to move. Next one is birds. Birds have two organs. One is wing and one is leg. All the birds have these two organs which help them to move, and one more organ is present, tail. So birds have so many adaptation to move in the or to fly in the air. What they have? They have a lighter body. Yes, their body weights are very little, so that they can glide, they can fly in the air. Their bones are hollow. We have bones inside our body. They are solid, but the bones of the birds are hollow. Okay. And strong flight muscles. Their muscles means, suppose these are the wings of the birds. So to help the wing to fly, the birds have strong muscles so that they can fly and carry their body weight up to the air. And special type of feathers, their feathers are special type. Without feathers they couldn't even fly. That is their main body part. Okay, some birds cannot fly. Ostrich, penguins, they do not have that big wings, okay, or that strong muscle which help them to fly. Come to the duck. Duck is also a bird, but it can swim. How? Their legs look like this, and their legs are joined, and these also called web feet. They are joined like here, in here, there, so that can swim in the water. Web feet we have found in the turtle also, right? Next one, let's talk about the type of feathers present in the birds. There are three types of feathers. One is flight feather, one is down feather, and one is tail feathers. Flight feathers are long and very compact. Okay, these are mainly present in the wings so that they can fly easily. Down feathers, they present all over the body, like tiny little feathers covered all over the body of a bird. They are called down feathers. And tail feathers, they are also long and they present in the tailbone. Okay, these tail feathers help the bird to change their direction. So these are all about the birds. Birds flap their wings, okay, give pressure on the wind, and they move their body to the air. Some birds can glide, some birds flap their wings to fly a long distance or in a great height or short distance like this. Okay, so in the next class we will talk about mammals. Okay students, bye bye.